أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweez series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start the remaining surah of Surah Abas. So before starting this lesson, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos and similar online Islamic classes Urdu for Urdu videos, so kindly subscribe both channels and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. So now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Kalla lamma yaqdi. كلا لما يقضي ما أمره Kalla, kaf we read in light sound and lam we long due to alif madda. Lamma, on the meme there is shadda sign, we make gunna and also we long due to alif madda. Lamma, kalla lamma yaqdi. Qaf and dad we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letters, and on the qaf we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Yaqdi. Ma amara. Meme we long due to alif madda and also there is madde munfasil, we long 3 to 4 seconds as well. Ra we read in heavy sound and on the ha when we stop, so this invert dhamma we skip and only we put a sukun sign there. So and then hams quality comes as well. So we say ما أمره كلا لما يقض ما أمره فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه فَلْيَنْظُرِ. After the Nun Sakin there is Ra, which is the heavy letter from Ikhfa letters. So that's why we make Ikhfa, which is a heavy Ikhfa here. Ra we read in heavy sound as well. Ra we read in light sound. فَلْيَنْظُرِ. On the Lam we make Tawassut quality as well. فَلْيَنْظُرِ. Insanu. After the Nun Sakin there is Sin now, which is from Ikhfa letters. We make Ikhfa, which is the light now. Sin we long due to alif madda. Insanu. Ila. Lam we long due to standing fatha on it. Ta'ami. Ta we read in heavy sound. Ain we long due to alif madda. And when we stop here, so under the ha there is standing kasra will be skipped and only we put a sukun sign there, and also this mad will be skipped. Then we say ta'ami. We say me with the continuation of our breath, like the hums quality on the ha then. So we say فَلْيَنْظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ إِلَى طَعَامِهِ أَنَّا صَبَبْنَا الْمَاءَ صَبًّا أَنَّا صَبَبْنَا الْمَاءَ صَبًّا. Anna, on the noon we make gunna, there is a shadda sign and also we long due to alif madda. Anna sababnal. Swad we read in heavy sound and on the ba we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Noon we long due to alif madda. Sababnal. Ma'a. Meme we long due to alif madda and there is mad sign, which is madde muttasil, so we long 4 to 5 seconds there. Swabba. Swad we read in heavy sound and when we stop here, so one fatha we skip and one fatha only we read, so we say then swabba. And if you would like to continue, so then it will be ikhfa there, but we stop right now, so we say Anna swababna al-ma'a swabba Thumma shaqaqna al-arda shaqqa Thumma shaqaqna al-arda shaqqa. Thumma, sa we read in soft sound, on the meme we make gunna. There is shadda sign, that's why. shaqaqnal. Both qaf we read in heavy sound, and on the second qaf we make qalqala, and noon we connect with the lam. Shaqaqnal arda. Ra we read in heavy sound because ra is coming with sukun sign and there is fatha on the before letter. Arda. And dad also we read in heavy sound, and when we stop here, so we read one fatha only, and then qaf also we read in heavy sound. It will be shaqqa, and alif will be heavy as well. Then we say thumma shaqaqna al-arda shaqqa فأنبتنا فيها حبا فأنبتنا فيها حبا فأنبتنا. After the noon sakin there is ba, we make iqlab, we convert noon into meme, and we hide the sound of meme into our nose, and only we read soft sound on the meme by joining our lips. Fa'ambatna. On the ta we make shiddat and hams quality. To the first discontinue your sound and then continue your breath. But, and now we long due to alif madda. Fa'ambatna fiha. Fi we long due to ya madda, and ha we long due to alif madda is there. Fiha habba. Ha we read from the middle of the throat, and when we stop here, so we skip one fatha and one fatha only we read. So we say habba. فأنبتنا فيها حبا وعنبا وقضبا وعنبا وقضبا وعنبا. And we read from the middle of the throat. After the tanween there is waw, we make idgham with ghunna. So we say وعنبا وقضبا. Qaf and dad we read in heavy sound, and on the dad we make sifte istitwala, and also we long here when we stop. So we say waqadba waqadba. We do not make qalqala as waqadba waqad. That is wrong. Okay, so we say wa'inaban waqadba wa zaytunan wa nakhla wa zaytunan wa nakhla. Was za we read bit hard. On the ya we make soft sound. Ta we long due to waw madda, and after the tanween there is waw, we make idgham with ghunna. So we say wazaytunan wa nakhla. On the kha we read heavy sound, and also we make hams quality continuation of our breath. Wa nakhla we long due to alif madda when we stop. So we say wazaytunan wa nakhla وحدائق غلبا وحدائق غلبا. Dal will ha we read from the middle of the throat. Dal we long due to alif madda, and also there is big mad sign. So we make 4 to 5 seconds here. Qaf we read in heavy sound. Ghain as well. On the lam we make tawassut quality, like the continuation of our sound. And when we stop here, it will be alif madda. So we say وحدائق غلبا. غل. This is tawassut. غلبا. وفاكهة وأبا. وفاكهة وأبا. Wafakiha. Fa we long due to alif madda. After the tanween there is waw, we make idgham with ghunna. Wa abba, and when we stop, so it will be alif madda there. So we say wafakihatan wa abba. And if you want to continue, so then it will be wa abbamma, and then we make ghunna there. But right now we are stopping, so we say wa abba. Mata'an lakum wa li'an'amikum. Mata'al lakum wa li'an'amikum. Mata'al. Ta we long due to alif madda. After the tanween there is lam. We make idgham without ghunna. And then after the meme sakin there is waw. We make izhar shafawi here. The clear sound of meme. Mata'al lakum wa li'an'amikum. After the noon sakin there is ain. We make izhar, like the clear sound of noon sakin. And ain we long due to alif madda is there. So we say وَلِأَنْعَامِكُمْ مَتَاعًا لَكُمْ وَلِأَنْعَامِكُمْ فَإِذَا جَاءَتِ الصَّاخَّةُ فَإِذَا, zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to alif madda. فَإِذَا جَاءَتِ jima we long due to alif madda, and also there is big mad sign, so we long 4 to 5 seconds. And ta we gonna with the sad. جَاءَتِ الصَّاخَّةُ. On the sad we make hams quality, sifte safir and sifte isti'la, and also we long, this is alif madda is there, and after the alif madda there is the next letter is coming with shadda sign, so that's why we make madde lazim kalmi musaqqal here, which we long almost 6 seconds. So we long here, and when we stop on this ta, so this ta we convert into ha, and then ha we read with hams quality. So, and also one more thing, and after the alif madda there is kha is coming with shadda sign, so we have to make nabar here, like the louder sound, like the raising of our voice on the letter of kha instead of other letters. So why we raise the sound of kha here, as we say kha, okay, that is called nabar. Why we make that? Okay, if we do not make nabar, what happened? So then we say kha. So it's mean then you are reading only one kha with sukun sign. So this is important for you to tell the listener that there is kha which has a shadda sign, like there are 2 kha, not 1. So if you read without nabar, so if you read without nabar, like without louder sound, what happened? So the listener will understand that you are reading this kha with sukun sign. But when we make nabar, so then it will be clear, like you are telling to the listener that there is kha is with shadda sign, like there are 2 kha, not 1, right? So that's why be careful about these signs. So this is again the same example one, and one another example also in the Suratul Fatiha, which where we say وَلَضَّالِّينَ on the lam, right? So there is also we make nabar. So the same example is here. So just keep in mind, if after the madda letter the next letter comes with shadda sign, so you will make a nabar there, like the raising of your voice on the same letter only. So we say فَإِذَا جَاءَتِ الصَّاخَّةُ يَوْمَ يَفِرُّ الْمَرْءُ مِنْ أَخِيهِ Yawma, on the waw we make a soft sound. This is wawleen. Yawma yafirrul. Ra we read in heavy sound due to dhamma sign on it, and on the lam we make tawassut quality. This next ra also we read in heavy sound because ra is coming with sukun sign and there is fatha on the before letter. So we say yafirrul mar'u min akhi. After the nun sakin there is hamza, we make izhar here. Kha we read in heavy sound and also we long due to yamadda. And when we stop on this ha, it will be hams quality then. So we say min akhi. Yawma yafirrul mar'u min akhi wa ummihi wa abi wa ummihi wa abi wa ummihi. On the meme there is shadda sign, we make gunna. Ha we long due to standing kasra under it. Wa ummihi wa abi. Ba we long due to yamadda, and on the ha we make hams quality when we stop. So we say wa abi wa ummihi wa abi wa sahibatihi wa bani wa sahibatihi wa bani wa swad and alif we long due to alif. Swad and alif we read in heavy sound, and ha we long due to standing kasra. So we say wa sahibatihi wa bani, and noon we long due to ya madda, and when we stop, so hams quality comes on the ha. So we say wa sahibatihi wa bani likulli imri'in minhum لِكُلِّ امْرِئٍ مِّنْهُمْ يَوْمَئِذٍ شَأْنٌ يُغْنِيهِ يَوْمَئِذٍ شَأْنٌ يُغْنِيهِ لِكُلِّ امْرِئٍ. On the mim sakin we make izhar shafawi, like after the mim sakin there is ra, that's why we make izhar shafawi, and also we make tawassut quality on the mim. Likullimri, likullimri. Im, after the tanween there is mim, so we make idgham with gunna, and then after the nun sakin there is ha, we make izhar here, then again the izhar shafawi on the mim now. So we say likullimri'im minhum Yawma idin. Waw we read in soft sound. After the tanween there is sheen, we make ikhfa, which is the light ikhfa, and when we connect sheen with hamza, so we make jerk sound, and then hamza comes with the shidda quality, like the discontinuation of our sound, as we say sha, sha. So we are discontinuing our sound. After the tanween, the next letter is ya, we make idgham with gunna. Ghain we read in heavy sound, ni we long due to ya madda, and when we stop here, so the hams quality comes on the ha. So we say sha'nu yughni likulli imri'in minhum yawma idhin sha'nu yughni wujuhun yawma idhin musfirah wujuhun yawma idhin musfirah. Wujuhun, jim we long due to waw madda. After the tanween there is ya, we make idgham with gunna. Wujuhun yaw. Waw we read in soft sound. After the tanween there is mim, we make idgham with gunna again. On the sin we make hams and safir quality. Ra we read in heavy sound. On the ta when we stop, so this ta we convert into ha, and then this double dhamma will be skipped as well. Only we read ha with sukoon and hams quality. So we say musfira, musfira. Wujuhun yawma idhin musfira ضاحكة mustabshira ضاحكة mustabshira. Dad and alif we read in heavy sound. On the ha we make hams quality. Kaf we read in light sound. After the tanween there is mim, we make idgham with gunna. ضاحكة mustabshira. On the sin we make hams and whistling quality, and then ta on the ba we make qalqala. Sheen we read with tafashi quality. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it, and when we stop here, so this ta we convert into ha. Again we make hams quality on the ha, then mustabshira ضاحكة mustabshira ووجوه يومئذ ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة عليها غبرة. ووجوه, this jim we long to waw madda. After the tanween there is ya, we make idgham with gunna. ووجوه yawma idhin. Ya, waw we read in soft sound. After the tanween there is ain, we make izhar here. Lay, this is yalin. Ha we long to alif madda. Alayha ghabara. Ghain and ra we read in heavy sound, and this ta we convert into ha, so we make ha with hams quality, as we say ghabara. We cannot say ghabarat or ghabaratu, both are wrong. So we say وَوُجُوهٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَلَيْهَا غَبَرَةٌ تَرْهَقُهَا قَتَرَةٌ تَرْهَقُهَا قَتَرَةٌ. Ra we read in heavy sound, and also we make tawassut quality. tarhaquha. Qaf we read in heavy sound, ha we long due to alif madda. Tarhaquha qatara. Qaf and ra we read in heavy sound, and this ta becomes ha, and we make hums quality on the ha. Then qatara tarhaquha qatara. Ulaika humul kafaratul fajara. Ulaika humul kafaratul fajara. Lam we long due to standing fatha on it, and also there is mad sign, which is mad muttasil, 4 to 5 seconds we long. Kaf we read in light sound. Humul kafaratul. We do not long any letter here. Ra we read in heavy sound. Ra also we read in heavy sound here. So we say fajara. Ulaika humul kafaratul fajara. And now I repeat this complete lesson. So listen carefully and read with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Kalla lamma yaqdi ma amara. فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه أنا صببنا الماء صبا ثم شققنا الأرض شقا فأنبتنا فيها حبا وعنبا وقضبا وزيتونا ونخلا وحدائق غلبا وفاكهة وأبا متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الصاخة يوم يفر المرء من أخيه يوم يفر المرء من أخيه وأمه وأبيه وصاحبته وبنيه لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه وجوه يومئذ مسفرة ضاحكة مستبشرة ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة ترهقها قترة أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video. And also if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new surah. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.